beautiful people. Today is day 3, Monday. We just planned to do something, but as usual it's going on in a different flow, but it was good. We just thought of going to some trekking place nearby. Yesterday we went for off-road and 2 bikes got damaged. That rear brake pedal got damaged. It need to be repaired before moving to the next place. We just left with half a day to cover something, so we just checked the Google map and we're able to find some trekking spot nearby. So it will be 2-kilometer trekking and something, it is called Wanderwithakhash. So everything is set. Had a great sleep today. The tent stay was awesome and bikes are getting warm up. That's the plan as of now. We'll decide once the bikes got ready. So we'll be moving to another place which is 200 kilometers from here. Let's get into the video. The top it will be like this, this steep.
Yeah.
Okay, so reached the trekking starting point and it was so steep. We just parked the vehicle here, so we're gonna go by walk. Actually, the trek was a bit intense. So we finally completed the trekking and just reached the parking space. We are going back to our stay place and then we are going to Jog Falls. Whether this is the only viewpoint or?
It's the only point they go.
Okay, thank you bro. Anna, British Bangla enga nake?
Actually down again.
Poite?
Down. The bridge left.
Bridge poi left. Okay, thank you bro. So now we are on the way to Gokarna and so as of now we covered 1053.5 kilometers. So it will be another 120 kilometers from here, from Jog Falls to Gokarna, and it will take 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah, hello. Akash. guys, good morning. Yesterday we reached very late here, around like 10 o'clock, and it was drizzling the whole night. Now we are ready. We are on the way to Murdeshwar temple, and then we are planning to put a tent stay in Hosahalli, Gudda. Now we are heading towards Hosahalli Gudda, so where we have planned to stay for tonight. It took more than 7 hours to reach Hosahalli Gudda because from Dharmasthala the roads were a bit rough. We didn't find a place to put tent for tonight, but luckily we met a guy and who suggested a stay place inside tea plantation. So we're literally searching the direction for that. இந்த வழி இல்லடா. Hi bro. Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Hello guys, good morning. Now I'm at Hosahalli Gudda. Today is our last day in this trip. Actually, I have some work today evening, so I'll be leaving early, and I'm gonna start now. Now the time is around 8 o'clock. It will be like 560 kilometers. This is our stay place for yesterday's night. We reached very late and we slept well. I really liked this trip. I had so much good experience, and I just don't want to leave, but I don't know, I'm just getting that feeling. But what to do? We'll plan maybe next month another trip.
Finding life along the way. Melody.
Okay, Machi. Bye, Machi.
Echoing around these walls. Create a song. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
While returning, I didn't record much, and we reached Chennai around 5 p.m. So it totally took 9 hours from Hosahalli Gudda.
And we'll grow.